Mugera is my name.
Ni vindi ya gwikiranira ngirimiti ya unyitaniri na kampuni ya utambi wa mai Wasco gwataniro ya gutetera ivoto cia aruti wira sekti ya mai ya Wasu ithithuritie utetini urengerwa urutiri wira wa makambuni ma utambi wa mai na uguo kuthararia ivoto wa makambuni ma kuruta utungata wa mai kwi mwingi na ukinyaniru. Matilda Jebet urene mwandiki mukaro wa ngwataniro ya Wasu akorota wana thengi ya gukorwa ki watho makambuni ma mai mairungurwa thirikari cia kaunti watho wa mai wa 2023 ni urarigiriria uruti wira wa makambuni ma mai kwengererwa ni mundu wa guonthe.
These are companies owned by counties, but they were registered under Cap 486 for a reason, to allow independence, to allow plowing back of revenues back to water. But what we are seeing, a lot of jostling, people coming to interfere with the activities of the water sector. Some water companies, they even have been threatened to revert back to the mainstream county departments. It is wrong.
Mathina mengi maria maragwetwo ta ugwati gwi sekta ya mai ni vamwe na thirikari cia kaunti na iria nene kurega kwigithia wa kuigana sektari iyo huku aruti wira amwe makirevwo misara inthi ya 10,000 na kumana na mathina mau Matilda akagweta sekta ya mai ndingigasira mitaratara ya kuthiria mathina mau itambite kumbikwa.
Somebody who has done diploma in water engineering, you're paying less than 10,000 shillings. That is indecent employment. We are coming in to ensure at least such things are not seen in the water sector. But I want to say the regulator also should be able to set up standards that protect employees.
Gukuwa kiranira kunyitanira na ngwataniro ya Wasu ve kugasithiria aruti wira kampuni yake murugamiriri wa kampuni ya Wasco Engineer James Njiru ni ugite nyongerera misara no nginya iringane na mbeca iria rathondekwo ni makampuni ma mai mugaru no uguo akakanyariria utambi wa mai kwi mwingi ukatharara.
The problem we have with other unions, if we are mixed up with the maybe county government, mixed up with the national government or other sectors like teachers and others, is because they just want to tell the budget man, the treasury, that increase our money. They don't care how that money is generated. But here we know that this is a business. That's why we are registered as a private company, as a company limited, public company, so that whatever we need to have, let us generate it.
Kuna yuguo ngwataniro ya Wasu ni ivithite kurugirira ukinyanithirwa kwa ngirimiti cia misara iria ciandikaniritwe kurivwa kwa mbeca iria nukagua aruti wira wa mweri gutaigucirithirwa na kugitira ivoto cia aruti wira.
Ni mukwanderia CBA na employer gutuike nake mundu uria wagirwo gukorwo akiregister the CBA ni aracoka vuva kidogo, koguo ugakora muruti wa wira wa kawaida ni arabota gukorwo akiumia muno issues cia disciplinary ni turonaga ni mararekagiriria muno muruti wa wira agakorwo ai vulnerable kana agakorwo ai exposed even kwenu kwa kuvutwa bataina gitumi. Pia ni turona the same people matrainavota go train the branch of issues niguo makorwo mai well equipped.
Vanduri va Kameme TV ni taunire ya Embu ni Beta Dennis Fundi.